Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert hyperlink in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to select cell where you want to insert a hyperlink, and then you need to type here a simple text. For example, I type here my hyperlink. After that, we need to click on this cell one more time, and then we need to go to insert, and we need to click on hyperlink. Then this window will be successfully displayed. We have here different types of linking. We can create a new link based on existing file or web page. We can link to place in this document or email address. So for example, if you would like to add a web page address, you need to select first option and then you need to click on address and type here the link. So for example, I type here HTTPS and for example, I type here address of google.com. After that, I click OK button. And now the link has been successfully added to this cell, to this text. And if you want to open this link, you need to click on this text. Then google.com will be successfully opened. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.